Hello everyone, Simon here from my forexmagicweb.com. Just making this a small video on a little bit of recap of last week. Some of them, too many things, but just want to show you a couple of things, especially this how this index analysis provides several opportunities to trade. You can literally pick and choose what to trade and what not. If you don't have a big account, or if you want to just trade one trade at a time, you can just literally pick and choose. Like this one, yen index. This is the yen index chart that I sent out. We've been following this from here, by the way. Let me go back if I could. I'll show you. You see this? We've been following this from way back. Oh man, where is it? Yeah, here. See, it was going up, so I said, well, it's gonna go up there, finish this butterfly pattern, and then obviously butterfly pattern has a reaction to come down, and it came down all the way here to these levels. And then I said it's gonna bounce from here. Let me show you that. See, it goes up a little bit slowly, and here went up there all the way, and then from there start pulling back. See, coming down here. It does very precise movements if you know what it is doing. See, this one, this is the chart that I sent out. That okay, came down all the way back to these levels, and it's gonna bounce for at least for a correction on 15th, October 15th, and because of that, this is what important thing that I want to show is that with yen index bouncing from the TL and 58.50s, all the yen pairs. Actually, this was the second chart that I had, 58.56 and 58.40. This is the band. Okay, usually if you have a two very strong number close by, the price fall into that space. So that's why I call it as the band area. Then if you start going up, then yen will be getting weaker in all the yen pairs, because the yen is on the right hand side. All the yen pairs, they will be going up, flying. See, all the yen pairs will be going up for the next few days, because this is a weekly chart. So from here to here, if you have two candles, even one candle is 1 week. All right. So I said, well, at least for a couple of days, because I think there was like a Wednesday I sent out this chart. So there was like a Thursday and Friday. So obviously before the weekend, we had a couple of days. Okay. So let me show you what happened because of that. See, this is this pound yen chart. It is 15, the same day it was here when I sent that yen index chart out, and look what happened from there to 350 pips. And then this is what happened to this chart. It went all the way up back to this area which I mentioned here. And there was another chart. See, euro yen. I had a couple of screenshots taken. See, this is 16th. It was here and went up because of the yen index. If you can go and take a look at all the yen pairs, you will see that they all went up. Why? Because the yen weakness index is showing the weakness or strength of individual currency, in that case yen. So it was like 7 or 8 yen pairs, and you can literally choose which one is the strong currency against yen and just trade that. And by the way, with that, I also send out the chart for yen index, not yen index, but I'm saying pound yen. Let me see if I have it open here. Pound yen, do I have it here? Yeah. You see this on the 16th. On the 15th, I send out the yen index that it's going to be getting weaker and everything will be going up, all the yen pairs. Then on 16th, we have a nice setup here to tweezer bottom, candlestick formation at the support. And I said, well, from here, it's going to go back to 72.85. You really want to know where it is now? I'll show you exactly. It is at, as speaking, it is at 72.85. This is how precise my analysis is. It's there. It's going to go up to this level or not. It depends on the next day. right now it's 4 o'clock and the volume is gone, so it's nobody trading right. Few retailers, and they don't move the market. Okay, the smart money, the banks are closed, the smart money is gone, big boys are gone. They will come back around Frankie Open, and especially London Open, and then you will see some movement. Okay, so this is what happened here on pound yen. Let me see. Okay, which one? The chart that I sent out. Yeah, oh yeah, this one I sent out, and right now, see, this is where it is, and you saw it. And also, let me show you a few other like some other entries that I had here, different entries on the 13th, October 13th, the week starting this week. This is how my setup looked like, and then after that it goes away. And this is a short entry on Newsy again on 14th, the next day. See, you have if the pair is ranging on like a 1 hour or 4 hour chart, it goes up and it goes down, and then you can play with that here like that. Okay, and when it makes a turn, it gives you a setup like that. If it goes up, then again, make a turn and give you a setup something like that, the opposite way. Just like this one, see the price coming down, it goes up, give you a setup, and then go. All right, so you need to know that where the turn is, and this is what I teach in my webinars. Very easy, very obvious. And if even if you don't want to learn that, you get my before chart in the email showing just like pound yen I just show you. See this pound yen chart? It is a before chart, and it was sent out to all the subscribers. Similarly, several other before charts with the trade setups that, okay, look for long with my instructions that, look for long after that. And in my webinar, there was one of my student, Sean, he told me that he, because of this chart, he ended up making more than 250 pips on pound yen. So that's a very important and powerful analysis for you to have. If you don't have time to do it, it's just take it. So this is another chart that I sent out on 19th before the market opened on Sunday, that we are here. Either we're going to drop straight, or we will go back, go up here in this band. It's like 72.85. Or 1.648 to 73, 173, and then drop. And then right now we are here. Okay, and hopefully we're gonna drop. So let's find out what happens later on. But this is how it is. And let me go back and show you where I was here. Okay, another entry with, well, same. And then this is on the 17th. That's pound yen. I took that one because I knew that pound yen is going up. So I took several entries. This is the only one I recorded, just to show a little bit. This is another one. Okay, on the 16th, 2 orders because it was going very powerfully. So I put 2 orders there. This is pound USD. My order is right here, gone. I forgot to show the entry here. Pound Aussie 5-minute on the 16th. Look how nice, beautiful setup is. Then gone all the way. See, so this is how, okay, this is just when I took this, the entry, this is how it looks like. The price is always like it comes down, and see, if it goes up, you need to know what's happening. So if there is a support or something, and then after that, it boom, it goes up, and then give you a setup like that. Okay, this is the example of this. Look, this is a Euro Aussie 5-minute setup at the same time. Okay, so this was it. This is it. And see, when you take the setup, the beauty of this setup is that very quickly, if you're wrong, then boom, it pops and it takes your SL out for 15-18 pips. No problem with that. But if you are good, your entry is good, then it gives you immediately. Most of the time it's good, but if it is good, it gives you the room to come and sit on the break even immediately. So see, I made an entry somewhere, made an entry here, and then it goes up here. As soon as it takes out this high, I come and sit on excuse me, break even. So now I'm safe. Even if it comes back and hit, that's fine. If not, it's a free trade from there, and just go away from the computer for a couple hours, not a couple hours, maybe 6-7 hours. Then when you come back, you have 60, 80 pips, 100 pips in your back. This is how easy it is. Euro USD on the 14th, 5-minute chart. Look at this, beautiful. It dropped, went up, and look at the candles. Very nice, beautiful, powerful momentum bar. And then after that, it goes down. So this is how the setup look like. Aussie USD 5 minutes 16th October 16th. Look at this entry here, gone all the way down. See, a lot of them. Okay, so this is it for now. And if you like to have these before charts and in my analysis in your email, you want to learn this how this strategy works. I'm working on a filter right now. One more. Some people who having little problem, newbies, you need to learn a little bit. Definitely. So when you are very new, then you need to know what are these lines and what to look for. Okay, so it takes a little bit of time, but in a couple of weeks you'll be fine if you're brand new. If you know all of these from before, it will take a couple of days for you to understand what it is and then take it from there. Okay, so if you like what you see, want to learn all this mumbo jumbo, you go on my website and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.